Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create this color changing velocity edit in the CapCut mobile. So the first steps that you need to do is add the video and also the audio, the music, like this. And after that, just click on the video on the timeline and then go to the style options, and here click on the velocity tab and you'll easily spot the rainbow velocity. So click on that style. Now CapCut will detecting the music and will applying the velocity to your video. Just wait until the process is done. Okay, so now the style has been applied and this is the rainbow velocity result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.